This is the suggested protocol for administering a needle stick to get a blood sample to send for amyloid burden testing by UV microscopy. First, what are the items that you will need? I suggest alcohol, sterilizing alcohol and swabs. These items are given in the list associated with this clip, and although there are slight differences here with respect to methodology, I'll be using a syringe needle rather than a needle stick device that is commonly used for diabetes. But the primary purpose is to show you how to take the blood sample, apply it to the slides in preparation for posting to Japan. So I have two microscope slides that I have ready to put the blood samples on. I'm going to sterilize the finger with alcohol. Never easy, but we just need a few drops of blood. So here goes. So that's the needle stick made. I'll withdraw, and hopefully, if we're successful, you can see that we have got some blood. Let's hope we can get enough. Yep, if you just squeeze it. Now I'm going to apply to the microscope slide. 1, 2, see if we can get some more. 3, 4. What I do suggest is try to even out the samples that you've put. A method to do that is just use another glass slide and just spread the blood out so it's a thinner layer, and you want to be aiming for around 2 by 2 centimeters of coverage. Each one of these slides. Slightly larger than I would have wanted. And that there is the would be ideal for analysis. Let these dry overnight in a dust-free environment, and follow the rest of the instructions included in this methodology. Thank you for all those that are contributing to this work.